today we will set up this amazing product of Xiaomi, the magnetic mount camera 2K version. So let's start. What's in this box? We have the manual. Here's the camera and there's the SD card slot. The adapter. If China version, since China version ito, meron siyang adapter. The global version usually wala. And then the cable. Here's the mount. So ito yung pang mount niya. So ganito yun, dinidikit lang siya. Dinidikit lang yan siya. And then if you want to install it sa ceiling, you need to mount lang ito. And then may magnet yan siya. Dinidikit lang siya. Take note, nandito yung QR code. So kakailanganin natin yun mamaya to set up. Yan. That's it. So, yan yung laman niya. Camera, cable, adapter, and the plate. And the manual. Okay? To set this up, kabit lang natin yung power adapter. If you have my USB port naman, hindi na kailangan to, pero since wala tayong USB port, bit natin siya sa power. Ang tsura niya, tinatayo lang siya. Tanggalin natin. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. So ito siya, mapapansin nyo yung yellow-orange na ilaw niya. Ayan. Pag nagsalita na siya, we can go to our phone to set this up. Okay? Lipat tayo sa phone. Once nag-start na siyang magsalita, let's go to your phone and open the app. So, I've talked to you already, discussed yung how to register in this Mi Home app. So, here's, wala pa tayong device. So to add one, like this magnetic mount camera, just select the positive sign on the upper right and then select scan. So on this part, since maghahanap siya ng QR code, yung binanggit ko kanina sa inyo na QR code is nandito siya sa ilalim ng plate niya. So scan lang natin yan. Yan. So once scan na siya, since bago itong camera natin, kahit na hindi na muna natin siya i-reset, since dapat mag-work siya dahil walang configuration na nakasave sa kanya. So before confirming the operation, so let's check muna yung Wi-Fi natin. So dapat nakakonect tayo sa 2.4 GHz ng Wi-Fi natin, and then alam natin yung password. Since hindi pa nag-work itong mga camera natin to 5 GHz, make sure na nasa 2.4 tayo. So dito sa Wi-Fi selection, mapapansin nyo rin na merong ISA camera na na-scan na siya. So ito na yun, si Xiaomi Magnetic Mount. So let's go back sa ating app. So once confirm na yon, select the operation confirm, then next. So ito yung sinasabi ko, dapat alam nyo yung password and nakakonect kayo sa 2.4 na Wi-Fi nyo. And then, once okay na kayo dyan, make sure na tama yung password kasi if mali yan, hindi kayo i-connect na sa dulo. So, magkaka-failure kayo. So, type next lang. Yan. So, Mi Home wants to join the Wi-Fi ISA camera. So, ito yung nakita natin. So, let's join. Check natin sa Wi-Fi kung automatic mag-join siya. So, yan. So, yan. Naka-join na. Go back to your app. Start to connect. Let's wait lang. Hindi nyo, nag-iba na yung salita mo. And then yung ilaw ng camera, it's blinking blue na. Previously, yellow siya kanina. Let's wait lang makomplete yung connection. Yan. So, done. On this part, just need to select any room or pwede kayong mag-add for this demo. Let's try to select the living room. Then, you can rename the device kung anong gusto nyo, but for this, we can retain at this. Yan, start. Accept. Alright, this is our camera. So, let's try to move it to other location para makita natin yung view. So, here it is. Yan yung camera natin na magnetic mount. So, we'll try to turn off the light. So, ito siya. Yan yung ating camera. Let's try to turn off the light para makita natin yung tsura niya naman kapag madilim. Okay. Yan. Mapapansin nyo, automatic siya nag-switch to night mode vision. And sobrang dilim ngayon. Like ito. Dilim dyan. And yan. Nasa night vision mode siya. So, ganyan siya kaliwanag kapag madilim. Okay. So, buksan ko ulit yung ilaw. So, I will explain some of the features ng important configuration dito sa app. So, on this upper right, nandito yung other settings sa upper right, or press nyo yung tatlong dot na nandyan, and then importante kasi since wala tayong SD card, so yung SD card ay dito nilalagay. So, dito ako kanina. Ayan. So, nandun yung SD card. So, once you inserted it, meron tayong select on the app yung manage storage, and mapapansin nyo, no, memory card wala tayong in-insert, pero nandito yung status niyan. So, here, magkakaroon yan ng two options, yung record when motion is detected only, and mag-record siya lagi. So, to save space, select nyo na lang yung record only when motion detected para medyo mas mahaba yung masisave nyo na space sa SD card nyo. Okay, other settings, like yung camera settings, kung gusto nyong pabaliktad siya, like kung gusto nyong, yan, for example, binaliktad ko siya, nandito siya sa tatlong dot pa rin, camera settings, image settings, and then rotate image. Yan. So, for example, yan. So, done nyo lang yan, and then confirm. So, babalik ko lang siya. So, you can play it around once nandyan na. And then, the playback, nandito yung playback. Lalabas to kapag may SD card na kayo. So, nandyan na yung mga minor features niya, pero yung major features niya, how to set up. So, ganun lang siya kadali. Okay? Browse it all, and next. That's all. Alright? Thank you, guys. Bye.